Hi, after you have installed the VS Code on your computer, you can open that VS Code editor going to the start menu. This is the start menu. Click here and go to the bottom. If you go to the bottom, you will see VS Code here. Click here and this is the VS Code. Just click on this link and it will be opened up in front of you. Okay. This is the VS Code editor. Suppose I will add a folder in the VS Code editor. I am going to create a project folder here. Suppose there are some files here. Index.html. This is a HTML file, okay, and this is a project folder. Now I want to open this folder in this VS Code editor. In order to do that action, you have to go to the file section. Then you will see there is an option open folder. Okay, click here and then I am going to desktop, and in the desktop you will see that this folder comes that I have just created. Just select it and go to the select folder option. Here a pop-up window come that if you trust this folder or not. Now I am going to click on yes, and you will see that the folder comes in the left side, and this is the workspace, and in this workspace we will work with this folder. If you create another file here, suppose there is a CSS file, style.css, then you will see that that file also comes here, index.html, and this is style.css. okay, in this way you can add a folder here. But if you want to work with multiple folders in the same time, how you can do it? Suppose I create another folder that is test, and in the test folder I just copy files from here, same files, okay, test folder, paste. You see that I have now two folders. One is project folder and another is test folder. If I want to open the test folder, file, then open folder, here test, then select folder, you will see that the previous project folder has gone and the new test folder comes here. But sometimes you may need that you want to work with the two folders. That means you want to open two Visual Studio Code editor for two folders to work in the same time. Okay, how I can do it? Here test folder is opened. Remember that in order to add any folder into your VS Code, there is another way. That is, you have to go into that folder, then go to the top address bar, put cmd, enter. Then a command prompt will come here, and this command prompt is indicating the C users PC desktop project. That means this location where I am into right now. Okay. Now what I will do is I will write simple code space dot. Then you will just press enter. If you press enter, you will see that the Visual Studio Code is opening here and the project folder is automatically added here. You will see that another instance that was running before, it also exists. So multiple VS Code editor is opened here now, and you can work here, and in the same time you can work here. I hope you have understood how to add folders into VS Code editor. Thank you.